I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktail recipe step by step. Start by washing citrus, chilling your glass, and filling your shaker with fresh ice. This sets the foundation for balanced drinks. Use a jigger to pour spirits and mixers accurately, and taste as you go to adjust sweetness or acidity. Small changes make big differences, so focus on balance, texture, and presentation for a memorable cocktail experience. Mastering mixing techniques changes your cocktail results dramatically. Shake vigorously for 10-15 seconds when using juice or egg white to create froth and chill. Strain into a pre-chilled glass. Stir stirred cocktails for 20-30 seconds to achieve silky texture without over-diluting. When muddling herbs or fruit, press gently to release oils and juice without tearing leaves, which can introduce bitterness and harsh flavors. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated while crafting cocktails, with a leak-proof lid that saves countertops from spills and a handy carry loop for bartending sessions. Pick one up from the description below to stay refreshed between sips and keep your palate clean. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Garnish and balance make your cocktail both beautiful and delicious. Add a citrus twist to express oils over the drink for aroma, or float a fresh herb for visual appeal. Taste and tweak. Increase sweetness with syrup, boost acidity with a splash of lemon or lime, or add bitters for depth. Remember that a subtle garnish can be both functional and decorative, completing the drink without overpowering it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.